Hey, it's Sammy on April 11th. We took 3 trades today for 2,413 pips. Let's take a look at the data and the trades. Hey, it's Sammy on April 11th. This is our first trade. You could see this gigantic purple bar right here. That was our 8:30 a.m. red news. It pulled all the small time frame data into alignment. We had great sentiment. We had volatility breaks and massive momentum. We enter the trade and we are just heading up to that next 23.6 Fibonacci level with those gray resistance boxes. And we move our stop loss to break even plus 25 to protect the trade. And quickly hit 700 pips. If you're ready to use this powerful data to take safe, consistent wins even during red news events, book a call. We'll walk you through the process. It's Sammy on April 11th. This is our second trade. This is our signature SOTA reversal trade. We have short time frame data to work with and a mechanical process. We quickly move our stop loss to break even plus 25. And you can see we have our take profit set down by the 800 moving average. Now what we realized here was we were actually hitting Wednesday's closing price or yesterday's actual market closing price. So we quickly lock in our pips here. It leaves us with 392 pips on the first position and 421 on the second position, for a total of 813 pips. If you're ready to use powerful data to take reversal trades, just book a call. We'll walk you through the process. Hey, it's Sammy on April 11th. This is our third and final trade for the day. You can see we already took right off the high of the day that first push where we had our signature SOTA reversal trade with short time frame data. Now you can see we've got multiple time frames in momentum, and our sentiment is across all 5 time frames. So we're going to enter this trade as we break through yesterday's low. We're going to head right down to this support level. Now there's a lot going on at this support level down here, so we're just going to go ahead and close this trade out with 900 pips. If you're ready to use a powerful combination of sentiment and momentum to take high probability winning trades, just book a call. We'll walk you through the process.